to my YouTube channel. Yeah, you're welcome. New subscriber, and we are love. We are glad that you come. So today we'll be looking at the Cipher, the daily Cipher. Give me your 1 million points to the code. So today the alphabet we'll be looking at in pronunciation is P, which is Proof. So for the P, yeah, we'll just do a short tap, long tap, long tap, short tap. For the R, short tap, long tap, short tap. Then for the O, long tap 3 times consistently. And then the same thing for the second O. For the F, short tap, long tap, short tap. So we apply it now. To apply it, we click on the daily safer and then we go. For the P, I go. We have the P. For the R, so for the O, for the second O, so for the F, that's it. Just take your price. So once again, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. I love you. Try as much as possible to subscribe to our channel, then comment on our section, invite your friends on the channel. Thank you very much. God bless you.